So in today's video, I'm gonna be replacing these side indicator markers on the car. I'm gonna put in some clear ones, so hopefully I think they'll look pretty nice. So for this, all we really gotta do is remove this one little bolt on top. I'm gonna use a Phillips screwdriver, so it should be fairly easy. I'm guessing it should just pop out, I don't know. Ooh. They just twist and lights pop out. Simple little twist and boom, removed. There's the old housing. And this is gonna be the replacement. Pretty cool. I think it's gonna look nice. With these ones, what you're gonna have to do is for the backlight, so this one, the rear one, you're gonna replace the bulb to have the amber color for turn signals. All right, so these light bulbs, they just pop out. You just gotta pull them out. Pretty easy. Since I'm in here, I might as well just replace this bulb as well. There we go. Okay. And now you just gotta line up these back two tabs with the two tabs on the inside. And then you just gotta screw it back together. And then we just repeat the same thing for the other side. Pretty simple stuff going on here. All we gotta do is just unscrew the top one and kind of just pry it out towards you. Line up the tabs and this one as well with the metal. Boom, there we go. Side marker too.